Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by connecting your iPhone with its cable. Make sure the phone is unlocked so the computer can access photos. Once done, respond to the trust prompt. This authorizes file access and prevents permission errors. Then open Windows Photos or File Explorer. Photos will let you import in batches, while File Explorer shows DSIM folders for manual copies. You do this now because authorization and a direct cable yield the fastest, most reliable transfer compared to wireless methods. Next, pick your import method based on control and speed. If you want guided selection, open Photos, choose Import, then from a USB device. Follow on-screen prompts to pick dates or albums. If you need specific files, open File Explorer, browse internal storage /DSIM, and copy folders to your PC. That keeps folder structure intact. For wireless syncing, install iCloud for Windows and enable iCloud Photos. That syncs originals to your PC when connected to the internet. Each method trades convenience versus manual control. Finally, confirm the transfer completed. Open a few images to check integrity, then move photos into your organized folder structure so backups are simple. Safely eject the iPhone from Windows before unplugging. This avoids incomplete writes. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot one step at a time. First, try a different cable or USB port, then restart the iPhone and PC. Make sure you tap Trust and that drivers or iCloud for Windows are up to date. That usually resolves recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.